Hi, good afternoon. I'm Yasodha. Today we are going to see the interesting topic that is linear equation one variable. Let's see what is this. So first of all, before going to the topic linear equations in one variables, first we'll learn about what is an equation. So what is an equation? Equation is nothing but is a statement. It is a statement that asserts between the equality of two expressions. That is, if I'm using this, suppose C1, I'm writing in here 2x, sorry, 2x is equal to 5. So this is an expression of a statement. Okay, the equality between the two expressions is said to be this, which is connected with an equal sign. This is said to be an equation. And the equal to sign on the left side, you have to read as left hand side, and this is one as the right hand side. Okay, yes. How do we solve this equation? So to solve an equation, we have to replace the variable with a number that makes the equation true. How can we solve this? See here, just I have given example 2x plus 7 is equal to 17. How can we do this? Yes. So your first step is bringing the 7 to the right side. The 7 is on the, yeah. So before that, can you tell me that which is the variable here? Yes, x is a variable. And now find out the solution of this unknown variable x. We have to follow some steps here. That is 2x is equal to 17 minus 7. Just we can say we are transposing the 7 to the right side. Then operation of addition becomes the inverse, that is the subtraction. So it becomes minus 7. So what is 17 minus 7? Yes, you're right, 10. So it now on the left side, there is no change in the left side, that is 2x will be remains the same. So after this, what we have to do? Yes. So just find out what is the relation between the 2 and x here. Yes, you're right. So there is a multiplication operation here. So while bringing this 2 to the right side, we are transposing this 2 to the right side, the 2 becomes the multiplication operation, becomes the inverse operation, that is division. So the x is equal to 10 divided by 2, which is equal to, when you divide 10 divided by 2, it becomes 5. Okay, got it? Yes. So this is the way you have to solve an equation. So x is equal to 5 is the solution of an equation. So do you have any doubts so far what you have learned? Yes. So can you tell me now what is an equation? Yes. Can you tell me what is an equation? Yes. Equation is a statement that which connects between the two expressions. Okay. So that the expressions can be on the right side, on the left side, or the equal to side. Okay. We have learned that how to solve an equation. That is, we have transposing the numbers. This I have given a very simple example. 2x plus 7 is equal to 17. I'm just transporting this 7 to the 17, and we are find out the value for the unknown variable here. Okay. Yes. I'm just moving to the next slide, which gives you the introduction about the what is a linear equation. What is linear? Yes, linear is nothing but which involves the equation which involves only one variable and the highest power is said to be 1. So what is the highest power? That is exponential. That is what is an exponential? One, while you are writing the variable, there is a base and there is a power also. So when the variable which involves with the highest power is 1, and only one variable in this equation, that is said to be the linear equation. Here I have given a simple example that 5y minus 4 is equal to 16. So this is also an example. Can you tell me what is the variable here? Yes, y is the variable I have mentioned here. And what about the power of the y? Yes, it is said to be 1. So it is linear equation in one variable. This equation involves only one variable, that is y. So it is said to be one variable, linear equation in one variable. And can you tell me what is the next step about this? 2a plus 3 is equal to 9. Yes, perfect. Yeah. So can you tell me how many variables are involved in this equation? Yes, only one variable, that is a. And what about the highest power of a is 1. When you have to look at the exponential, that is power of the a, power of the variable. So this equation is said to be the linear equations in one variable. So far you have understood, I think, I hope so. Yeah, I'm now moving through linear equation in two variables. What is a linear equation in two variables? Just as an extension of linear equation in one variable. If the equation involves two variables, that is x, y, in the same equation, like I have given here is x3x plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. Yes, here there are two variables. Can you tell me what are the two variables here? Yes, x and y. These two variables or which involves this equation, and find out, can you tell me what about the powers of these two variables? Yes, x power 1 and y power 1. That is why the equation, the statement is said to be the linear equations in two variables. Okay, so when an equation which involves two variables, but when comparing the highest, the power of the variable is 1, it is said to be the linear equations in two variables. So, do you have any doubt? Yes. So the standard form of the linear equation in two variables is nothing but ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So there are some more examples also there. I have given some applications of real linear equations in real life, where we can apply the linear equations in our daily life. So to handle the real life situation, the problem can be changed to mathematical statement. Suppose if any problem, anything, that is if you are dealing with any marketing problem or any age related problem or speed distance problem, just we have to first observe the question and what is given in the what is given information in the data, we have to analyze them. Then after changing this problem, that given information into your mathematical statements. That is the main thing we have to do. The mathematical concept will take part in that. So the mathematical, after changing the problem into mathematical statements, there is an equation, we can solve the, we can identify the unknown variables and the known informations. Okay. So in this case, this is the case, the linear equation plays an important role here. So somehow I have given some real examples of real life situations, solving the age-related problems, calculating the speed, distance, time of a moving object, calculate money, percentage-related problems, or solve the problems based on the force and pressure. So I have given only the four examples. There are so many examples are there which involves the linear equations in linear life. Yes, I think so far you have understood. Thank you so much.